So my daughter's bed is all the way to the back now. You know, before it had the kitchen back here. So now that the kitchen is gone, we can, I gotta get it leveled. But yeah, we can work on some new things. See how it look. Yep, I guess we'll go, actually, fully garage space back here. Fully garage space. I can eliminate anything that's up under my son's bed. I can put everything back here. That water jug is leaving. That battery probably will be leaving. So yeah, we looking good right now. Space.
What's up, family? I'm on break and I wanted to come out real quick and see what Hun got going on in Bluey. Oh, some things in here I forgot all about. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so ready to get back in the van. Just to get back in the groove of things, or just doing, having like that family time. But yeah, he's working. He doing a little workout here, y'all. But I sure do appreciate him for getting us back on the road soon. But my children not feeling well, so I'm juggling between that and the work and coming out to check on Bay, see how he doing with progress. So
some lights on. Is it this one? To those that haven't been watching that long, this is vinyl flooring, like, linoleum. This is just flooring. I figured that was easier to, cut and shape and corners, and so I just stapled this to the wood panels, and it's been holding up pretty good. So that table is gone. The microwave can be put somewhere else. The bed has been pushed back, and we got a lot more room to work with. So I won't have a chance to get any more work done today. As you know, we're preparing for our Christmas holidays. Actually, the kids, EJ and Cadence, like, neither one of them are feeling well right now. Runny nose, cold. Most of my family are not feeling well right now. We had to cancel like a Christmas party that we have every year at my sister's house. Just a lot of people is not feeling well at this moment. So we're going to I'm gonna go and take care of them and make sure they're straight. Hopefully, me and my wife will be able to come back on. If not, we wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But I'm gonna try my best to get both of us back on again and update y'all with what's going on. Like I said, they're not feeling well at the moment, so can't get them to say anything in the video. But other than that, man, today's been a pretty productive day. I've been waiting to use that burner for 2 months probably. It's been 3 months since we used that burner, so I was excited about making something to eat today, and using the burner. But like I said, other than that, we're gonna keep working. We're gonna keep being positive, and we're gonna keep giving y'all something to watch. But yeah, that's it for today. Until next time, peace.
Still in here at work, about to get off in a few, but I wanted to say Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday with your family or however you choose to celebrate. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm ready to get off.